Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving us a code for free gifts. Okay, just search for this code on the Temu bar and you're getting your free gifts. So the code is FRS 127497. Okay, so just search for the code and there you have it. You're going to play a little game, just follow the prompts and you get your free gift. Now I'm going to be telling us that for new app users, like you're a new app user, this process is going to be straightforward for you. You're definitely going to get your free gift, but have in mind that you're going to have to purchase some things to actually unlock this free gift. Temu free gift come with qualifying others. Okay, so if you're an existing user, it might not be this exact way for you. It might be a bit different. I just want to put it out there. All right, but for new app users, don't worry, be rest assured that everything is going to be smooth, just as I've shown you. Just input that code and search it and you're good to go. All right, I have other codes. You can use other codes to get other benefits as well. So tell me, if you're a new app user, you can use my link to download the app and you're automatically redirected to this new gifts page, or you can just search the page, the code like I've shown you. Thank you. If you use this code and it works for you, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching to this point and see you in my next video. Bye.